Living in a space that lacked the luxury of a secluded sanctuary taught me the invaluable impact a room divider can have on transforming one's living environment. Personally, I turned to the charm of an antique folding screen, and the difference it made in creating a semblance of privacy was remarkable. However, the world of room dividers extends far beyond traditional screens. There exists a myriad of innovative designer solutions ranging from flexible walls to stylish interior glass partitions. What makes these dividers more than just functional pieces is their ability to introduce texture, dimension, and color into a living space. Beyond their primary purpose of delineating areas, these dividers serve as design elements that elevate the overall aesthetic of a room. Whether you're seeking the illusion of privacy, looking to infuse decorative personality, addressing a small space dilemma, or strategically enhancing your layout, the following ideas encompass a spectrum of creative room divider and separator solutions. Folding screens. Embrace the classic charm of folding screens, which not only offer privacy but also bring a touch of vintage elegance to your space. Opt for intricately designed screens to add an artistic flair. Flex walls. Modern and versatile, flex walls provide a dynamic solution for dividing spaces. These flexible partitions can be easily adjusted to suit changing needs, offering a practical yet contemporary design element. Interior glass partitions. If you prefer an open and airy feel while maintaining a sense of separation, interior glass partitions are an excellent choice. They allow light to flow freely, creating a visually spacious environment. Ceiling-high bookcases. Combine functionality with aesthetics by using tall bookshelves as room dividers. This not only provides storage space, but also adds a sense of structure to the room. Makeshift rooms. For a bold and unconventional approach, consider creating makeshift rooms within a larger space. This can be achieved with strategically placed furniture, curtains, or other creative elements. In addition to their practical benefits, these room divider ideas from designer spaces showcase a fusion of functionality and style. Whether you're aiming for a cozy reading nook, an artistic display, or a secluded workspace, these dividers offer a solution for every need. Take inspiration from the ingenious and stylish room divider ideas to redefine and optimize your living space. Bamboo or rattan screens. Infuse a natural and tropical vibe into your space with bamboo or rattan screens. These lightweight yet sturdy dividers add an earthy texture, making them perfect for both indoor and outdoor settings. Sliding barn doors. Achieve a rustic and farmhouse-inspired look with sliding barn doors. These not only serve as functional dividers, but also contribute to a cozy and charming atmosphere. Curtains and fabric panels. Opt for flowing curtains or fabric panels for a soft and romantic room division. This versatile option allows you to easily change the ambience of the space by choosing different fabrics and colors. Metal mesh partitions. Embrace an industrial aesthetic with metal mesh partitions. These contemporary dividers provide a visual separation while maintaining an open and edgy feel within the space. Shelving units with planters. Combine greenery with functionality by using shelving units that incorporate built-in planters. This not only divides the space, but also introduces a refreshing and natural element. Mirror dividers. Enhance the illusion of space by incorporating mirrors into your room dividers. Mirrored surfaces reflect light, making the room appear larger and more luminous. DIY palette dividers. Get creative with do-it-yourself palette dividers. These budget-friendly options allow you to personalize your space with a rustic or eclectic touch, depending on the finish and arrangement. Hanging beaded curtains. Infuse a bohemian or eclectic aesthetic with hanging beaded curtains. This playful and whimsical option adds movement and a touch of mystique to the separated areas. Geometric wood dividers. Explore modern design with geometrically shaped wood dividers. These visually striking pieces add a contemporary flair while maintaining a sense of structure within the room. Recycled or upcycled materials. Consider environmentally friendly options by using recycled or upcycled materials for your dividers. This not only adds a unique and sustainable touch, but also showcases your commitment to eco-conscious design. Combine functionality with interactive elements by using chalkboard or whiteboard dividers. These multifunctional pieces serve as both room separators and creative spaces for notes, doodles, or to-do lists. Hanging plant screens. Introduce a touch of nature with hanging plant screens. These dividers not only delineate areas, but also contribute to a calming and biophilic design, connecting the indoor space with the outdoors.